Hey guys, what's up? Tim Queen here, and today we're going to talk about LinkedIn news. LinkedIn is working on a new platform which will compete with the likes of Upwork and Fiverr. It's going to be a completely new marketplace built on the LinkedIn platform, which allows freelancers to directly collaborate and do business on the platform. That means no outside business. You can receive payments directly on the LinkedIn platform. LinkedIn most likely will take a cut of your business. So we have to see how this is going to roll out. For now, let's jump onto my computer and read what information we actually have so far. Now there is this article from the information which is describing this new platform. Now the article states that this marketplace is going to launch as soon as September 2021. Now this is a very interesting number. LinkedIn is currently generating about $30 per month from each monthly active user. That means when someone is paying for a LinkedIn Recruiter subscription, LinkedIn Sales Navigator subscription, LinkedIn Premium, or for LinkedIn advertisement. As you can see, the platform is already hugely popular and profitable for LinkedIn. Imagine what they could do if they were charging a percentage of each business that would be generated through the platform. Now, the way this is supposed to work is that Microsoft is currently developing its own wallet or payment service for people to store money, potentially going into direct competition with the likes of Stripe or PayPal. So this could be like one of the foundational frameworks that they will use and implement in the back end to build such a platform on LinkedIn. Now, as we can see, LinkedIn already acquired a company called UpCounsel back in 2019, supposedly to get some of the company assets and people with the right competency to build such a marketplace. Now, 2 years later, we are almost ready to launch. Now, so far, LinkedIn already has experience with some features for potential freelancers on the platform. One option was to go to your profile and to click the Open to Providing Services tab. In this case, you could select what kind of services you would be willing to offer, allowing people who visit your profile to prominently see specific areas of expertise that you could offer to potential client. There is also LinkedIn's Pro Finder tool, which takes this to another level, but you have to apply for this to be accepted into this program so you can easily be found via the LinkedIn search engine. I personally think it's a great idea. I am very certain that LinkedIn will still give everyone the opportunity to get around their internal payment platform so people can still do business outside of LinkedIn, so you don't have to pay any fees. Potentially LinkedIn might start with a very small fee, potentially to outcompete the other marketplaces and to become more attractive. As an example, Fiverr is taking a 20% flat fee on all the business, no matter how much the business. Companies like Upwork are charging, I believe, 20% on the first 500. Everything above will be charged for 10%. And then after, I think, 10,000, they go down to 5%. So if LinkedIn would come onto the marketplace and they would severely undercut this and would just say, hey, we're just going to take 5% or less, they could potentially get a lot of people to move over to the LinkedIn platform to offer their services. What I'm looking for specifically is that LinkedIn will have an opportunity to have a checkout process where you could create your own packages that people might be able to buy directly, similar to what Fiverr is offering, but also having like a custom request for quotation feature where you can basically pitch a specific project and then people can create a custom project just for you. So we're going to see how this is going to develop. Looking forward to this. Let me know in the comments what you think about LinkedIn having its own marketplace. Do you think it's a good idea? Do you think it's a good opportunity for freelancers? Or do you think that's going to be horrible wrong? Also, if you want to learn LinkedIn marketing, I highly recommend that you check out my website, timqueen.com. You can download my free LinkedIn hashtag guide, 33 pages that show you exactly how to find the right hashtags to grow organically on LinkedIn. And if you want to develop a complete LinkedIn content marketing strategy from scratch, also check out my LinkedIn Accelerator program. I'm going to put the link to both of them in the description and into the pinned comment below. and make sure that you hit the subscribe button, turn the notification bell on, smash like, and I see you in the next one. Bye!